How to save a Samsung Note that you just finished editing or created with some info on it as a PDF file or a Word file. Okay, so this is with Samsung phones on Android 13 or Android 14. Let's get started. So you have your Samsung Note here, you're done, you've put in all the information, images on that Samsung Note, and you are about to save it and you want it to be saved as a PDF or Word file. Tap on the three dots right here at the top here and you're going to see save file as. And when you see this here, this is going to show up and you can choose to save it as a Samsung Note, a PDF file, or a Microsoft Word file, and even a PowerPoint and a few more other options here. Okay, but once you set it to save as a PDF file here, it's going to show up like this here, and then you can choose a folder you want it to save as, you can name it, and then that's that. Okay, you'll have it saved now as a PDF file, and you can go back and save it as a Samsung Note or for a Word file. Like and sub.